Hi everybody, Marco Carvalho here from businesscreditblogger.com. Today's blog post we're going to talk about how long do credit inquiries stay on your credit report. As you know, anytime you apply for credit, whether it's for a credit card or a loan, auto loan, you're giving permission for that particular lender or the bank to check your credit, which triggers a hard inquiry. It's important to realize though is not all credit inquiries or when you apply for credit affect your credit the same way. For example, if a credit card issuer will check your credit, they may pull from only one credit bureau to determine whether you're creditworthy to get that credit card. So on that particular bureau, you'll have one hard inquiry. Whereas some credit card companies or even lenders will pull from all three bureaus to check your credit, so you can realistically incur a hard inquiry on each one of your credit reports. So now, what does it affect your credit rating when you get a hard inquiry? Well, it's based on a couple things. The stronger your personal credit is, the stronger your FICO score, the less impact one single inquiry will have on your credit. Whereas if you have a thin credit file, poor personal credit reports, then multiple inquiries will hurt your credit that much more. The other thing to realize is when you do rate shopping, FICO doesn't really allow it to impact your credit score in a 30-day window. So what that means is, let's suppose you're applying for a mortgage and you're rate shopping and you incur maybe 5 or 8 inquiries, but within the 30 days you finally find a lender, you get the actual loan. Well, what happened is FICO is going to look at just that one inquiry where you obtain that loan, because they understand the scoring model understands rate shopping, and that applies mainly to like auto loans when you're trying to get a loan for a car or a mortgage or even student loans. So when you do plan to get something major like that, make sure you do your rate shopping within a certain set period of time. Now, that doesn't apply to when you're applying for multiple credit cards. That's when you get multiple hard inquiries. So what's a good hard inquiry as far as a number to stay within? In a 12-month period of time, you want to stay between no more than 5. If you start getting up to the 5 or higher in hard inquiries that are not rate shop related, then you're going to really start seeing some denials of credit. Now, as far as after 12 months, let's say you have 4 inquiries or 5 inquiries in 12 months, and then you're like on the 14th month, then maybe you can incur another 2 to 3 inquiries within the 24-month period of time. So anywhere between 4 to 5 hard inquiries per year is acceptable. Now, after 24 months from the time you incurred a hard inquiry, it does drop off your credit report. Now, the other thing to realize is, how can you remove hard inquiries? It is possible to remove hard inquiries, but you only want to dispute the hard inquiries where you actually didn't result in obtaining a loan or a credit card. You cannot dispute an inquiry where you actually got a credit card or a loan as a result of the inquiry, because that proves that you authorized the inquiry. So if you'd like to receive a powerful way to dispute hard inquiries on your credit, be sure to click on the link below. For our blog post, we'll actually give you access to a free document to dispute hard inquiries on your credit. With that, make it a great day. We'll talk to you real soon.